Good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will wait for 1 minute more to let the other students join. Please inform कर दो कि क्लास शुरू हो गया है.
मैम कुछ पूछना था.
हाँ बिल्कुल पूछिए.
मैम मॉस इन्वर्टर और सीमॉस इन्वर्टर अलग अलग है क्या?
नहीं नहीं सेम है.
मैम
मॉस
सिलेबस में दोनों अलग अलग लिखा गया है.
देखिए एक्चुअली मॉस इन्वर्टर जो होता है, देखिए एक्चुअली टेक्निक मैकेनिज्म दोनों का सेम ही है, सिलेबस में अलग अलग इसीलिए लिखा हुआ है. तो आपका मॉस इन्वर्टर है ना नेक्स्ट मॉड्यूल में. अभी जो हम करवा रहे हैं सीमॉस और दूसरे मॉड्यूल में देखिएगा मॉस का जो है एसआर लैच है, डी लैच है, सब कुछ है वहां पे. आप उस मॉड्यूल की बात कर रहे हो क्या? हेलो
मैम अभी जो पढ़ा रहे थे ना वही वाला. यस मैम.
देखिए, हाँ हाँ देखिए मॉस, देखिए मॉस माने क्या, मेटल ऑक्साइड सेमीकंडक्टर, राइट. सीमॉस में क्या होता है, सीमॉस में जो एनमॉस होता है, पीमॉस होता है, दोनों को हम यूज करके मीन्स वी यूज दैट इज इन कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मेथड. दैट्स वाई मतलब मॉस जो है मॉस का ही एप्लीकेशन है वो सीमॉस इन्वर्टर में. मॉस अलग से ऐसे इन्वर्टर की तरह काम नहीं करता. मीन्स वो एनमॉस और पीमॉस को जब हम कनेक्शन करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर सीमॉस, राइट. आपका जो एक क्लास था, जो पहले क्लास में सीमॉस हम पढ़ा रहे थे, उसी क्लास में आपको हम बताए थे मॉस मॉस इन्वर्टर क्या है, सीमॉस इन्वर्टर मतलब उससे कैसे हम सीमॉस इन्वर्टर में ट्रांसफर हुए हैं. वो एक बार नोट को हम फिर से गूगल क्लासरूम पे या फिर स्काइप पे डाल देंगे, एक बार फिर से देख लेना वो चीज.
ओके मैम.
एक्चुअली में क्या है को अगर थोड़ा बता देते हैं. जैसे मानिए मॉस इन्वर्टर में क्या था, वो मॉस का जो स्ट्रक्चर था, यहाँ पे एक गेट था, सोर्स था, ड्रेन था, राइट. वो हम दो तरीके से बना सकते थे. आइदर वी कैन मेड इज एन चैनल और पी चैनल. आइदर एन चैनल होता था या फिर पी चैनल होता था मॉस, which is metal oxide semiconductor. Now when we use this MOS as in inverter, MOS को जब हम इन्वर्टर की तरह यूज करते हैं, we make it as in CMOS because it consists of both NMOS plus PMOS. One NMOS and one PMOS consist of a CMOS. और जब हम इस दोनों को एक साथ जोड़ के एक सर्किट डिजाइन करते हैं, that is called my CMOS. बेसिकली CMOS क्या है, MOS ही तो है. मॉस में एक होता है एन चैनल टाइप का, दूसरा होता है पी चैनल टाइप का. सी मॉस में बेसिकली क्या करते हैं, दोनों जो मॉसफेट है, दो जो मॉस है, एक एन चैनल और पी चैनल, दोनों को एक साथ जोड़ के इन्वर्टर की तरह उसको हम काम करवाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड माई सी मॉस. कोई बेसिक डिफरेंस नहीं है सी मॉस और मॉस में, राइट. समझ में आया आपको हम क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं?
यस मैम.
Okay, fine. So in our previous class, what we have seen, we have designed the basic gates using CMOS logic. We have designed basic gates, universal gates, as well as full adder and full adder and half adder using CMOS logic. Now from this class we will start using transmission gate to design our basic gates as well as मल्टीप्लेक्सर, डिमल्टीप्लेक्सर, जो जो आप डिजिटल सर्किट में पढ़े हैं. बेसिकली देखिए वीएलएसआई में क्या होता है, जितना सारा गेट्स आप यूज करते हैं, फर्स्ट क्लास में हम बताए थे कि मेरा मेन मोटो क्या है, उसका साइज को रिड्यूस करना, मींस उसका एरिया को रिड्यूस करना, कम एरिया में ज्यादा से ज्यादा आईसी को फैब्रिकेट करना. कम एरिया में ज्यादा से ज्यादा आईसी को हम फैब्रिकेट कर पाते हैं कैसे, बाय स्केलिंग टेक्नोलॉजी. मोस्ट को हम स्केलिंग कर रहे थे आईसी का साइज छोटा करने के लिए, राइट. सो जो आईसीज है, what is that, that is basically consist of basic gates and universal gates, right. So बेसिकली वीएलएसआई में हम क्या करेंगे, जितना सारा मेरा डिजिटल सर्किट में गेट्स हम यूज किए थे, मानिए आपका बेसिक गेट्स, यूनिवर्सल गेट, एक्सक्लूसिव So what is my transmission gate actually? See, a transmission gate, इसको आप TG से भी abbreviate कर सकते हो. You can spell as in TG also. So a transmission gate is an electronic element and good non-mechanical relay built with CMOS technology. Transmission gate में क्या होता है? This is a electronic element which is a non-mechanical relay and it is built with CMOS technology. How with CMOS technology? A transmission gate is designed using one CMOS and one PMOS. See, it is made by parallel combination of NMOS and PMOS transistors. One PMOS, one NMOS and one PMOS. It is made up of by the parallel connection of one NMOS and one PMOS, right? And we will consider the NMOS logic as in 1 and the PMOS logic as in 0. ये अभी आप याद मत रखिए, आगे आगे जब बता देंगे तब आपको ये समझ में आ जाएगा why we are considering NMOS as in 1 and PMOS as in 0. So next come to the point, it is a bidirectional switch. Why it is a bidirectional switch? It can pass the signal in two ways. That's why it is called a bidirectional switch. So how the NMOS is designed? Design means how I can say how the NMOS को represent कैसे करते हैं? How we represent the NMOS? Just a moment. If I draw it like here, जैसे हर एक गेट का अलग अलग रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है, जैसे एंड गेट को हम लोग ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं और गेट को हम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सो वी हैव डिफरेंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट गेट्स. लाइकवाइज इन केस ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन गेट आल्सो वी हैव आवर ओन वे ऑफ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन गेट. इसका बहुत सारा सिंबल होता है, ऐसा कोई रूल्स नहीं है आपको यही सिंबल यूज करना है. आई विल शो यू 2 to 3 symbols that has been used as the representation of transmission gate. At your ease, जो आपको ज्यादा पसंद आए और यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद दैट पर्टिकुलर सिंबल यू कैन यूज. उसमें कोई अंतर नहीं है कि ये ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे तो इसका अलग मीनिंग आएगा. नो, दिस ऑल symbolize the same thing. First see, this is one type of symbol of designing a transmission gate. This part is called NMOS and this is my PMOS. This is my input, this is output. This is input, this is output. Right? So what happens in case of, first let me show you the representation, how we can represent the transmission gates. Second, you can invert the thing. Sorry. You can invert the thing. So it will be C means NMOS and the lower part is your, the bubble part is your PMOS. This is P, this is A. This is one type of representation. Another one can be like this. Right. This is my C, this is. So next can be like this. चाहे आप ऐसे डिजाइन करो, ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करो, you can represent like this or like this. All are same. Means जैसे AND gate के लिए there was a fixed symbol, OR gate के लिए there was a fixed symbol. For transmission gate, it has basically these two are same. I have just inverted the thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can draw it like this, you can draw it like this or this or this. Whatever is your ease. जो आपको ज्यादा सिंपल लगे, जो आपको ज्यादा आसान लगे, आप वही ड्रॉ करना. Right? So if I explain the thing, see, these are the symbols. I have drawn this thing. So अभी देखिए एक सिंबल को हम लेते हैं, कोई एक स्टैंडर्ड को लेते हैं, जैसे मानी इसी को हम लेते हैं, because I find this one the easier one. For me, these are the easy one, so I prefer this one. This is my C bar, this is C. So this C is called control signal to the gate of the transistor. For a transmission gate, we have one input, one output, and one control signal. And this C represents the control signal. So this C can be either 1 or can be either 0. C can be either 1 or 0, right? So when C is 1, let us consider the first case. When my C is 1, I have written what? When my C is 1, A equal to B. Let's see how. See, when C is equal to 1, C equal to 1 means C bar will be 0. C bar 0 after not, it will be 1. And my C is equal to 1. Right? So for C equal to 1, both my NMOS and PMOS are open gate. Both are open. Right? So if both are open, so A can pass to the output, input will be passed to output. मेरा gate open है. Open means it is short circuit. Means it's making a path for the input to pass to the output. Right? So next में क्या हो जाएगा? Means this path is open to flow the input towards the output. For the next thing, when C equal to 0, so for C equal to 1, A will be passed to B, so A will be equal to B. जो ही मेरा इनपुट है वही मेरा आउटपुट है, क्योंकि गेट मतलब गेट पास के लिए अलाउ कर रहा है मुझे लॉजिक को. अगर A 1 है, B will also be 1. If my A is 0, B will also be 0. Right? Now for the next logic, when C equal to 0, see, if my C equal to 0, C bar will become 1. Again, it will be 0. And here C equal to 0. C equal to 0 means the transistor is in off condition. Transistor off means it is providing a open circuit. Open circuit means it will oppose the flow of input towards the output. Means it is providing high input impedance. High input impedance means it will oppose the input to go to the output. जैसे ideal op amp में होता था, ideal op amp क्या करता था, इतना उसका high resistance था, so ideal op amp के लिए the input is not flown to the output. Likewise, when the logic C equal to 0, the control signal will be C equal to 0. For that particular condition, both the transistor will be off, means it will provide an open circuit, hence the input cannot flow towards the output, means it is provide a high input impedance condition. Hence when C will be 0, A will be not equal to B. Right? So जब मेरा C 1 है, दोनों ट्रांजिस्टर को path मिल रहा है, means it is providing a short path to flow the input towards output. But when C equal to 0, means both the transistors are in off condition and it's not providing the path for the input to pass toward the output. Is this logic clear to you? Because this is the main logic or the main functional ability that will help you to design the basic gates or the other components using transmission gate. ये logic आपका clear है तो बोलिए, नहीं तो हम फिर से दोहराएंगे इसको. Is it clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now, so these are the representation I've already shown you. So here I've already written that the transmission gate consists of one PMOS and one NMOS, and gate is complementary to two transistors, right? One is C, another one is C bar. One signal is connected in direct form and another one is in complemented form. So now, next one thing, the working and truth table. If I draw the truth table of a transmission gate, what it will be like? See, C is my control signal and A is another input. Basically, it have two input, one as in control signal and another one is A. So if I put it like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 4 combination can be there. So when my control signal is 0, which I've already shown to you, when my control signal is 0, C equal to 0, A will be not equal to B as it is providing a high input impedance. So when C is by 0, see, I have written high input impedance. Means it's not allowing A to pass to B. And for the second thing, when C equal to 1, for the condition C equal to 1, A will be B. Means the input will be flown to the output, right? So when control signal is 1 and A is 0, it will be 0, output will be 0. When A equal to 1, output will be 1. Now, if A equal to 0, for the condition when A equal to 0, this logic will pass through NMOS as NMOS is good to pass logic 0. Right? And when A will be 1, this will pass through PMOS as PMOS is good to pass logic 1. इसका कोई बेसिक सिग्निफिकेंस नहीं है, बस आपको थियोरेटिकल पर्पस के लिए याद रखना है. बाकी जब आप एप्लीकेशन करोगे इसका आपको उतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, राइट? बट you just remember these two things because these are the theoretical part of it, right? So if you look at the truth table of the transmission gate, you can see this is nothing but a truth table of tri-state buffer. So you can say the transmission gate works as in a tri-state buffer. So these are the whole theoretical part about the transmission gate. And one more thing, why we use this transmission gate? Because the area is decreased, the speed of the device is increased, and the power consumption is also decreased. So these are the advantage, you can say, of using transmission gate. So now I will start designing and show you how the basic gates is designed using transmission gate. So one by one I will come to the gates. First, what I have written here, the circuit implementation using transmission gate, right? So first we will draw the basic gates. Right? So for basic gates, let's start with AND gate. First, we will start with AND gate. Right? So let us draw the truth table first. Truth table of AND gate. So how it will look like A, B, Y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So it will be 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the truth table of your AND gate, right? So आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि जब हम ट्रांसमिशन गेट से कोई गेट को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे या फिर कोई लॉजिक को रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, how many transmission gates we need? So here you can see this is a two variable type. As this is of two variable type, automatically you will need two transmission gate. So side में दो transmission gate पहले से हम draw करके रखते हैं. So दो transmission gate को हम draw करके रखे हैं. So now what you need for the transmission gate? You need a control signal, another one is one input, right? So you have two parameters, A and B. You can use either A as in control signal, B as in input, or B as in control signal, A as in input. दोनों variable में one variable will be taken as input of transmission gate, and second variable will be taken as control signal. So either you can take A as an input and B as in control signal, or you can take B as in control signal or A as an input. So I'm taking B as in control signal. So B मेरा control signal है. So I will put B over here. B. So now you can say, ma'am, in the representation of MOS gate or the transmission gate, what you have shown? You have shown that when there is a bubble, you have put C bar, and when there is no bubble, you have put C. But in case of this, I have drawn this part B bar, this part is B, but here it's B, here it's B bar. Just because actually these two parts are connected to each other. In the circuitry diagram, these two parts are connected to each other. As because this two parts are connected to each other, a single signal will be provided there. These two are connected internally. So here if it is B, here it have to be B. Right? So अगर आप यहाँ पे B करते, यहाँ पे B bar करते, so you have to draw here B bar, here you have to draw B. Right? So this part is my output. I'm not drawing the input right now. So now you have to check for two conditions. This control signal B either can be 1 or B can be 0. Right? So this B control signal can be of two types. Either it can be 1 or B can be 0. So let us consider first case B equal to 1. Come to the truth table. When B equal to 1, this in this condition and in this condition. In these two conditions, B is 1. Come to the corresponding value of A. See, A is 0 and A is 1. When B is 1, A is either 0 or A is 1. If you come to the output corresponding, when A equal to 0, output also 0. If A equal to 1, output also 1. Means when my control signal is 1, means when my B is 1, it allows input to pass to the output in same condition. Means if A, means in this case, when B equal to 1, A equal to Y. When A equal to 0, Y equal to 0. When A equal to 1, Y equal to 1. So I'm simply writing A over here. Why I'm writing A over here? See, if B equal to 1, I'm writing here B equal to 1. So B bar will be 0. It will become 1 over here and B equal to 1. And B equal to 1 means it will become 0 over here. B equal to 1 means it will become 0 over here. So in case of B equal to 1, my first upper transmission gate is in on condition. ये वाला transmission gate मेरा on है. This transmission gate is off. This is not functioning. Means it is in high input impedance condition. So when B equal to 1, B equal to 1, A will be equal to Y. So this transmission gate is working. I have given A as an input to this to get Y as an output. And for the second condition, when my B equal to 0, come to this part, B equal to 0 is here. B equal to 0 is also here. So when my B equal to 0, what you can see? A equal to A0, Y equals to 0, A1, but Y is 0. Means control signal आपका जब B equal to 0 है, input चाहे जो भी हो, input can be either 0 or 1. Output is always low, means it is 0 in both case. जब input is my 0, means it's low condition, output is low, but when input is high, output is 0. Whatever may be the input, the output is 0. So what I will do? I will give 0 voltage to its input. Means when my b equal to 0, see, for b equal to 0, this will be 0 and this will be 0, and b equal to 0 means this will be 1 and this will be 1. In case of b equal to 1, this transmission gate is in working function, and when b equal to 0, this transmission gate is in working function. And for b equal to 0, what we will get when this is working, whatever is the input, either 0 or 1, the output is always low. So if I give input as in ground, means 0 voltage, we will automatically get 0 over the output. So this is the transmission gate representation of AND gate. डाउट है तो पूछो, समझ में नहीं आया तो बार बार पूछो, हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, बट ना समझ के हाँ मत बोलो, क्योंकि आगे जाके ये थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड होने वाला है. सॉरी. क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं हुआ?
नो मैम.
देखो, इसको हम अगर फिर से बताते हैं, फर्स्ट थिंग, दिस इज द ट्रूथ टेबल ऑफ एंड गेट. ट्रांसमिशन गेट के लॉजिक में हम क्या समझाए आपको? इन केस ऑफ अ ट्रांसमिशन गेट, in case of a transmission gate, like here you can see, whatever will be the input, the output will be same. Means जैसे मानिए ये एक आपका ट्रांसमिशन, यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करते हैं, चलिए मानिए ये एक आपका ट्रांसमिशन गेट है. By the why we use control signal, यहाँ पे एक चीज लिख लेते हैं तो आपको ये थोड़ा समझने में आसानी होगी. We use control signal to make a transistor in on or off condition. So basically what the control signal will help you? The control signal will help you to make a transistor either on or off. Control signal से हम कोई भी एक ट्रांसमिशन गेट को आइदर ऑन कर सकते हैं या ऑफ कर सकते हैं. जैसे मल्टीप्लेक्सर में करते थे ना, बाय यूजिंग सिलेक्ट लाइन. सिलेक्ट लाइन से हम क्या डिटरमाइन करते थे? कौन सा इनपुट अब आउटपुट में जाएगा. इन केस ऑफ ट्रांसमिशन गेट आल्सो वी यूज द कंट्रोल सिग्नल टू डिटरमाइन whether a transmission gate will be turned on or turned off, right? So now in the logic of transmission gate is whatever will be the input, माने आप input में 1 दिए, output will also be 1. If you give 0 as an input, output also be 0. If you give ground logic to its, ground means it's 0 voltage, it will give you 0. If you give 5 volt to its input, it will give you 1. Means 0 means it's logic 0. 0 volt means it's logic 0. 5 volt means it's logic 1. Means whatever will be the input, output will be same. जो भी आप input में दोगे transmission gate के, it will show the same output. कोई अंतर नहीं होगा उसमें, क्योंकि ट्रांसमिशन गेट बस पास करता है, राइट? वो अब इनपुट को कोई ऑल्टर नहीं करता. इट ओनली पास द लॉजिक व्हाट एवर यू विल गिव टू इट्स इनपुट, बस ये वो पास कर देगा, नथिंग एल्स. दैट्स व्हाई ट्रांसमिशन गेट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड अ पास गेट. it will only allow you to pass the logic. सिर्फ ये पास कर देगा, कोई अंतर नहीं, कोई alteration नहीं, nothing. Means whenever you will give input as in 1, it will give output as in 1. आप input में 0 दोगे, output आपको 0 मिलना है. अगर input में आप ground से connect कर देंगे, input को आप ground से connect कर दिए, means it's providing 0 volt. In digital, it's considered as logic 0. It will give you logic 0. If it is connected to 5 वोल्ट डीसी मीन्स 5 वोल्ट अगर आप इसको पावर सप्लाई दोगे मीन्स 5 वोल्ट इज कंसिडर्ड इन डिटेल सर्किट, दैट इज लॉजिक 1. हाई वोल्ट means high and this is low, so it will give you 1. This is the main funda of transmission gate, thus it's also called pass gate. It only pass the logic, whatever will be the input it will give you the output. Now if you come to the implementation of the transmission gate to design a AND gate, so if you come to now the truth table of AND gate, in case of NAND gate, what you have? Two input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So output is 0 0 0 1. So what I have told, to design a transmission gate you need two things. One is your input and another one is your control signal, right? So two variables are there, A and B. In case of two variable, what you need? दो variable है, we will need two transmission gate. दो variable मिल गया, फटाक से दो transmission gate डिजाइन कर दो ऊपर नीचे. हो गया है काम. Next what you will see, there are two variables. What you can do, either you can take as in A as an input or B as in control signal, or you can take A as in control signal, B as in input. In this example, what I am using? I am using B as in control signal. So if I'm taking B as in control signal, what I am doing? Transmission gate को design कर दिए. Why I have put B over here? As because these two parts are connected internally. If I put a dotted line, these two things are connected internally. So I have, if I have done written B bar over here, I'm writing B and connected B, same thing will be here, and the opposite side it will be B bar. क्योंकि कंट्रोल सिग्नल एक ट्रांसमिशन गेट पे जब यूज होता है, एक गेट में अगर उसका ओरिजिनल फॉर्म यूज होता है, दूसरे गेट में उसका कम्प्लीमेंटेड फॉर्म यूज होता है. मींस here if you have used complement, B complement, here you will use B, and if here you have used B, here you have to use B complement, right? So क्या क्या हो गया मेरा? एक हो गया B के लिए, मींस कितना मेरा ट्रांसमिशन गेट की जरूरत है? हो गया दो ट्रांसमिशन गेट as there are two variables. Next, what we need? We need a control signal. So I have taken B as in control signal, A as in input. So before coming to A, let us see. There will be two conditions. Either B can be my 1 and B can be my 0. First, let's see the condition of B equal to 1. So when B equal to 1, means B bar will be 0. If not it will be 1. So here it is B. This is also 1. Here it is 1, it will become 0, and here it will become 0. So for B equal to 1, if I elaborate it further, when B equal to 1, upper transmission gate is on and lower transmission gate is off, right? And for the condition when B equal to 0, when B equal to 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will also be 1. So my upper transmission gate is off and the lower transmission gate is on, right? So first we have taken the control signal as in B, and from this control signal itself, what I have seen, if my B equal to 1, the upper transmission gate will be turned on and this will be turned off. And for B equal to 0, this will be turned on and this will be turned off. So now when I have already determined which transmission gate is turned on and off in which control signal, I will quickly come to the truth table now. So if you look at the truth table now, you can see when my B is equal to 1, B is equal to 1 कौन से time पे? In here and here. In those two cases, B equal to 1. So this control signal is determining which transmission gate is working. अभी ये part भूल जाओ. B equal to 1 in this two part, इस जगह को भूल जाओ. So इससे हम क्या determine already कर लिए? जो काम होगा इस जो ऊपर वाला ट्रांसमिशन गेट है उससे काम होगा, क्योंकि लोअर वाला ट्रांसमिशन गेट b=1 के लिए बंद है. दिस इज नॉट इन वर्किंग कंडीशन. So we are only considering the upper transmission gate for b=1, right? So when b=1 means upper transmission gate is 1. If we consider the corresponding value of a को अगर हम कंसिडर करते हैं, देखिए उसमें क्या देखेंगे, a can be either 0 or a can be 1. When b=1, a can be either 0 or 1. Here it is 0, here it is 1, right? Now if you come to the output, you can see when my a=0, output is 0. When a=1, output is 1. Means what? a=y means a का वैल्यू जो है आउटपुट में आपको सेम ही वैल्यू मिल रहा है. Means when a=0, output is by 0. When a=1, output also 1. So what we are doing basically, we are giving a as in input and here is the output y. अगर a मेरा 0 होगा तो output 0 होगा, a अगर 1 होगा तो output 1 होगा. Means a=y for the first condition when b=1. For this condition, this thing has been done. Now for the second condition में देखिए when b=0. When b=0, the upper transmission gate is off. अभी मुझे इसका कोई काम नहीं है. The lower transmission gate is on. Means the functional transmission gate is the lower one right now. upper transmission gate off है, इसको भूल जाइए अभी के लिए. When my b=0. अब ट्रूथ टेबल पे अब आ जाते हो तो अब क्या देखोगे, b is 0 here and b is 0 here. In this case b is 0, in this case b is 0. So b0 से डिटरमाइन हो गया कि मेरा लोअर ट्रांसमिशन गेट काम करेगा, अपर ट्रांसमिशन गेट का अभी कोई काम नहीं है. So now we will come to the corresponding input value of a. What you can see, in case of b=0, a can be either 0 or a can be 1. Means when b=0, you can see a can be either 0 or a can be either 1. a का वैल्यू 0 भी है, 1 भी है. But if you come to the output now, you can see a0 में y0. When a=1, y also 0. Means इससे क्या मतलब होता है, means what you can say from this, whatever is the input can be either high or low. Output मेरा low ही है. Input चाहे आपका 0 हो, 1 हो, output आपका क्या है, in both case output is 0. So we are only concerned about the final output. Means जैसे हम एग्जाम में क्या करते हैं, साल में आप जितना भी पढ़ो कोई नहीं देखता. What is your final outcome? Final outcome is your semester result. जिससे अच्छा मार्क्स आया उसको माना जाएगा कि वो पढ़ा है सेमेस्टर में, जिसका खराब मार्क्स आया वो कंसिडर होगा वो सेमेस्टर में पढ़ा ही नहीं. चाहे आप बीमार हो कोई नहीं देखता. मींस you are only considering the final output, whatever may be the input. Input can be your 0 or can be 1, but final output is always 0. So if you connect this transmission gate to ground, you will always get 0. Whenever b is 0, you will, means basically if you see these two things, whenever b is 0, output is 0. Whenever b is 0, output is 0. So whenever for the condition b=0, this transmission gate is working and it will always give you output as in low. So we have connected its input to ground. So this is your final output of y. Is this clear now? समझ में नहीं आया तो बोलो, और समझ में आया तो वो भी बोलो. मुझे कैसे समझ में आएगा कि आप लोग समझ रहे हो या नहीं समझ रहे, बोलो.
मैम ऊपर वाले में हम लोग का आउटपुट 1 है और नीचे वाले
आपका वॉइस डिस्टॉर्ट हो रहा है, अब फिर से बोलिए.
मैम ऊपर वाले में हम लोग का आउटपुट 1 आया और नीचे वाले में 0 आया, तो फिर एक साथ कंबाइन कैसे हो जाएगा y?
ऊपर वाले में 1 आया कैसे? आपको सिर्फ 1 आया। ऊपर वाले में सिर्फ 1 तो नहीं आ रहा है। ऊपर वाले में क्या आ रहा है? whenever a will be 0 it will give you 0, whenever a will be 1 it will give you 1. It is not fixed. Depending upon the value of a, the output will be determined. But in which condition? When b equal to 1. जब b equal to 1 है तब इनपुट में आप जो भी दोगे आउटपुट आपको वही मिलना है। बट when my b equal to 0 means जब मेरा b 0 है आपको हमेशा 0 ही आउटपुट में मिलना है। So what you have done, you have connected ground to its input. B0 में आपका इनपुट चाहे जो भी हो आपको आउटपुट में 0 ही मिलना है। So I have connected 0 as an output.
मैम ऊपर वाले में अगर हम लोग a लिए तो हम लोग का आउटपुट 1 लिए तो हम लोग का आउटपुट 1 आएगा और नीचे वाले में 0 आएगा, तो फिर एक साथ y का वैल्यू क्या होगा? 0 की 1?
देखिए ऊपर वाले में हम 1 नहीं लिए, ऊपर वाले में हम a लिए हैं। See, if I draw the truth table from it, a, b, y, so when my b equal to 1, so if I drawing like this, b can be, this transistor is working when my b equal to 1, right? So I have done two condition. Two condition Q, a can be either 0 or a can be 1. a 0 भी हो सकता है, a 1 भी हो सकता है. So I have, क्योंकि as I have done a equal to y, when a equal to 0, y will be 0. When a will be 1, y equal to 1. And for b0, this input can be either 1 or 0, right? So when b equal to 0, a can be either 1 or 0. But output में अब देखिए, as because it is connected to ground, it will show you always 0. अगर इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करते हो, सीक्वेंशियली ड्रॉ करते हो, 0 0 पे 0, 0 1 पे 0, 1 0 पे 0, 1 1 पे 1. सेटिस्फाई हुआ आपका एंड गेट का लॉजिक?
1 1 पे 1,
सॉरी 1 1 पे 1. सेटिस्फाई हुआ आपका एंड गेट का लॉजिक?
यस मैम।